Hello and welcome. You are here because you are curious about increasing your penis size. Don't worry, I am not here to judge you. I am here to help you. Whether you searched it out or have stumbled upon this video by accident, it doesn't matter. I am here for you, to help you learn more about a revolutionary device that has helped hundreds of thousands of men worldwide gain new confidence in the bedroom and their lives. Have I got your attention? Okay, great. I want to introduce you to something that has taken the world of men by storm since 2006. With over 1 million users worldwide and a success rate of over 92%, it has the power to change your life and your partner's. Do I have your attention now? Alright, sit back and I will continue. So what is this thing I am talking about that over 1 million men have used worldwide? The device I am talking about is called the Bathmate. Have you heard of it? If so, great. If not, listen up and I will explain more. The Bathmate Hydro Pump is a revolutionary device that has gained immense popularity among men seeking to enhance their penis size, increase their sexual performance, as well as boost their self-confidence in the bedroom. This water-based penis pump offers a safe and natural method to increase your penis size, improve erections, and boost sexual satisfaction. In this quick intro, we will delve into the details of what the Bathmate pump is, how it works, and where you can get your very own discreetly without any embarrassment. Let's dive in and discover the power of the Bathmate and its line of award-winning penis pumps. So what is the Bathmate? The Bathmate is a cutting-edge hydraulic water pump designed to help men increase penis size, aid with erectile dysfunction, achieve a larger, harder erection, as well as boost stamina in the bedroom. It utilizes a combination of water and vacuum pressure to create a gentle yet powerful suction effect around the penis, promoting increased blood flow and engorgement of the erectile tissues. This results in a temporary size increase and improved sexual performance, but with longer use provides permanent gains. After a decade plus of success with their flagship Hercules model, the Bathmate brand expanded its lineup of pumps, which now include the Hydro 7, Hydromax and Hydro Extreme models. With over 1 million hydro pumps sold worldwide since 2006, the Bathmate has established itself as a trusted name in the field of male enhancement. The Bathmate Hydro Pumps employs a simple yet effective mechanism to achieve its impressive results. When the device is filled with warm water and placed over the flaccid or semi-erect penis, a tight seal is created at the base. As the user pumps the device, water is expelled from the chamber at the tip, creating a vacuum inside. This vacuum pressure gently stretches the penile tissues, encouraging blood flow into the erectile chambers and promoting expansion. The Bathmate pumps, with their distinctive water-based design, present multiple benefits compared to conventional air-based penis pumps. This design features a water cushion that ensures a snug and comfortable fit, significantly reducing the chances of injury or discomfort. This is because the water aids in gently stretching the skin tissue, preventing tears. Moreover, the use of warm water relaxes the penile tissues and enhances blood flow, making the pumping process more efficient and effective. Now, the question I know you are thinking is, does the Bathmate really work? Do penis pumps work? The simple answer is yes, and there are actually many doctors who recommend a penis pump for men's health, aiding with erectile dysfunction, helping with Peyronie's disease and more. Not to mention a few quick searches online will provide you with thousands of Bathmate reviews and testimonials of users all around the globe. No fancy talk, just real stories from people who've tried the Bathmate Hydro Pump out. So, if you're curious, take a look at what others are saying online. It's pretty clear that Bathmate has done something right, as their users are excited to share their stories for other men to learn about this device. Okay, so enough talk. You must be wondering where you can get a Bathmate already. Many adult stores in your city sell the Bathmate, but usually venturing into an adult store can be awkward, and nobody wants to be seen in them, or to be seen buying a penis pump for fear of judgment. So we have made buying a Bathmate easy. You can purchase one of the many Bathmate models online from us to guarantee the authenticity and quality of the product. We are the original Bathmate retailer in Canada and the United States for over 17 years. Our website is bathmate.ca for Canada and bathmate.us.com for United States. We have been providing genuine Bathmate products since 2007, ensuring customer satisfaction, peace of mind, and exceptional customer service and support. In conclusion, I will say, the Bathmate line of penis pumps are a game-changer in the world of male enhancement. With their innovative design, powerful suction and proven results, they has become the go-to choice for men looking to enhance their penis size and sexual performance. By following the proper usage guidelines and choosing the right size, users can experience new size gains, harder erections, and enhanced self-confidence. So, what are you waiting for? You came here as you were curious. Join the club of 1 million Bathmate users and get your very own Bathmate pump today and unlock your full potential. Thank you for watching or listening, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the Bathmate pumps, where we answer all your questions. Don't forget to sign up to our email list at www.bathmate.ca for incredible savings.